Blow, blow, thou winter wind, by William Shakespeare. Blow, 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 thy winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not seen, although thy breath be rude. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hi-ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, thou dost not bite so nigh, as benefits forgot. Though thou the waters warp, thy sting is not so sharp, as friends remembered not. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho, unto the green holly. Most friendships is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hi-ho, the holly, and life is most jolly.